SSDC, SchoolNet India's Naipunya Vikasam digital classes. Our today's topic is introductions from class 5th functional English. In this lesson, you learn about how to introduce yourself and also how to introduce people who don't know each other. The purpose of introducing people is to give them an opportunity to know each other. When you walk up to someone to introduce yourself, then you must know how to respond when someone does that. So, let's get started. There are several types of introductions like introducing oneself or self-introduction, introducing someone else, making contact. Let's see how to we follow in various situations. First one, introducing oneself. This is nothing but your self-introduction. As a student, sometimes you need to introduce yourself. Like you have to mention your name, class, school, age, place where you live, hobbies, favorites, your aim, and you can also say about your family. But before you introduce yourself, you must learn some phrases. Can or may I introduce myself? Let me introduce myself. I would like to introduce myself. After that, you can the remaining details. Let me provide you one example how to say your self-introduction. Example: Hi, my name is Mahesh. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I live in Parvatipuram. I am 10 years old. My birthday is on 13th July 2010. I am a student at GTWAHS Kurupam. My favorite subject is English. My hobby is drawing pictures and playing cricket. There are 4 people in my family. My father is a teacher and my mother is a housewife. I would like to be a scientist because I am very interested in explore new things which are useful to our students. Sometimes we need to introduce ours to someone. While we are traveling by bus or train, accidentally we meet many persons and try to introduce ours to get a company. There are 2 types of scenarios. First one is formal and another one is informal. Let's see one example related to formal content. Here you should focus on the response also. Hello, I am Sandeep. Hi, I am Chanti. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you too. In this contest, you can give shake hands, but you should keep smile on your face and have a good body posture. In an informal contest, conversation between the friends or peer group, you can follow like this. Hi, I am Akash. Hi, I am Swapna. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. When we go to somewhere, we see many people and some of them seems to be a familiar, but there is a little bit of confusion in our brain whether he or she is an expected person or not. Then how do we ask for clarity and introduce ourselves? Let's see some phrases. When we contact someone, you can say like this. Excuse me, are you Mr. Nikhil? The other person says, yes, that's right, or no, I am Varun. I think you are Bunny. Yes, exactly, nice to meet you. Then you say, nice to meet you too. Hello, you must be Mrs. Shalini. Am I right? You are Mr. Shekhar, aren't you? Like the above phrases, you can use when contact someone. Introducing someone else. Next, I will show you how to introduce people who don't know each other. So, let's see how to introduce people each other. First, we will see in formal situation. In this scenario, there are three people, you, Nandu and Sneha. You know both of them, but they don't know each other. Now, you can introduce them like the following. You say, have you met each other? Nandu or Sneha can reply, no, we aren't met before. Then you introduce both like, Nandu, this is Sneha. Sneha, this is Nandu. Now they knew about each other. Then Sneha says, by giving shake hand, it's a pleasure to meet you. Nandu says, it's a pleasure to meet you too. To make stronger in conversation regarding this, just enact a role play. In an informal scenario, we use nice to meet you instead of pleasure to meet you. We use informal way when we introduce our friends to others. I have provided a small role play about this one. Just try to involve in the real life experience and make yourself stronger in introducing others who don't know each other, either formal or informal situations. Balu, have you met each other? Ramu, no, we haven't met. Balu, Ramu, this is Pandu. Pandu, this is Ramu. Prabhas, nice to meet you. Ramu, nice to meet you too. With a lot of practice and participate in role plays, you can develop your skills in functional communication. I hope you understand and enjoy the session. All the best and have a beautiful day. Thank you.